moving to LA, so I'll stay home and write these songs, pretend I'll make it someday. My friends are getting married, they're all settling down, so I lay here, watch the ceiling fan go round and round. And it's always gone too fast, like a trip to the beach or the life of James Dean. And it kills me to think I'm avoiding the pill I can't swallow. Haven't seen my twin brother, I keep missing his calls. It's funny just how easily
I just put on a cute little dress from Hollister, and I just put my hair in these little twist braids, and I'm actually gonna run to Trader Joe's. I've been wanting to get some fresh flowers, and I also made a grocery list because I want to get some fruit and stuff for breakfast, and I've been really trying to make more home cooked meals. I am going out to dinner tonight, which kind of goes against what I just said, but during the week I've been sticking to meal prepping and making home cooked meals, so I'm going to run to Trader Joe's, get some flowers, and also get some groceries so that I can meal prep for the week. I just got out of Trader Joe's and I am very excited with the things that I found. I saw this recipe on TikTok and I want to try to make it for kind of like a breakfast lunch. I didn't have my original breakfast today because right now with my meal prep I'm doing 80-20, so 5 days on, 2 days off, just because I have a lot of events coming up and it's a little hard to follow the meal prep exactly right now. So I'm doing 5 days and then 2 days off. So today is one of my off days and I saw this recipe on TikTok. So I'm actually going to my boyfriend's house for the rest of the day. I am going to store these groceries at his house and then take them home when I go home tomorrow because like I said, I'm going to dinner and I'm very excited. So the first thing I got is ciabatta bread because I really want to make this toast with cream cheese with tomatoes, chives, and basil, and basically the whole thing is to make it look like cherries, so it's a very summery breakfast slash lunch. The next thing I got are these beautiful flowers. I think these are so pretty. I really wanted to get a summer flower that wasn't necessarily a tulip because I've been getting a lot of tulips lately and I saw these. The next thing I got are blueberry muffins. I've been wanting to try blueberry muffins for a while. I've been seeing them all over Pinterest and I saw this while I was looking in the baking aisle in Trader Joe's and I just automatically wanted to make these, and I'm actually going to a dinner tomorrow, so I'm going to make these for that. The next thing I got are just some cherry tomatoes. Like I said, I want to use these for my little breakfast, and I also got strawberries to have on the side because I've been doing a very good job at having a lot of fruit and I have been seeing a lot of good benefits, so I want to keep that on track. The next thing I got are chives. I don't know if I'm necessarily going to like these. I hope I do. We'll see. And then the other thing I got is organic basil because this is what's going to make the leaves of the cherries. It'll make more sense when I show you guys exactly what I'm doing. And then the last two things I got is this red bell pepper, garlic, and Parmesan cream cheese spread. Now in the TikTok recipe, they use goat cheese, but I'm honestly not a big fan of goat cheese. I honestly don't love cream cheese too much, but I don't mind it, and I really love garlic and Parmesan, so I wanted to try this one out. And the last thing I got is this Greek non-fat yogurt vanilla bean. Again, I don't love yogurt, but I am trying to broaden my palate because I am a big picky eater and I have been working yogurt into my diet. Not every day, not even every week, but when I can do it, I do try to have it, so I'm going to try to have this again in my diet. That is everything I got from Trader Joe's. I'm very excited to make this bread, so I'm going to go home now and make my little bread. We have everything laid out here. I'm going to make this breakfast now and also put these flowers in a nice little vase. Hello, hi, say hello.
just make you then? Now you and I then. You were just sitting on the couch with that red jacket. We didn't say a word. Who would have thought that this would happen? The more we got to spend, my feelings growing. I didn't think I'd be attracted to your type, boy. The summer when we kissed, beginning of our secret love. Baby, you got me going all around you. I can't resist myself, cause I just need you here. The way you pull me in, your summer cologne's got me free. Summer cologne's got me falling to my knees. I don't need much, baby.
I just tried that breakfast, and like I said, I am not somebody who typically likes tomatoes or cream cheese by themselves, but together it was so good. I would definitely recommend it. I think even adding some rosemary or some more spices onto it would be really good as well, but literally 10 out of 10 would definitely recommend. I will try to find the original creator of that recipe, but I did find it off of TikTok. Right now I'm actually at my parents' house. It's my grandma's birthday today, and I can't go to the lunch because I have something really important that I have to do at 1 o'clock. So I don't have time to go to the lunch because they're going at 2. But my boyfriend actually surprised me with flowers, which was so nice of him, and I wasn't expecting it at all. So as you guys know, I just got myself these flowers, but I was going to stop at a plant store and get my grandma a plant. But since I don't need 2 flowers, I figured I would just give her these pretty flowers from Trader Joe's. So everyone's leaving from my parents' house now, and I'm going to go surprise my grandma with these flowers. I just gave my grandma the flowers, and she really liked them, and we took a picture, and it was nice to see her, even if it was for a little bit. I am at tjmaxx right now. I have to get something before I go do what I have to do. I have to get a candle, and I also have to get a birthday gift really quick. And I literally only have 15 minutes before I have to leave and go meet people. So with that being said, I am going to run into tjmaxx really quick and hopefully find something. I'm hoping for a candle. I also want to get a candle for myself, but it depends on how busy tjmaxx is, because if it's busy, then I'm gonna have to leave and come back. So we are going to go in really quick. tjmaxx ended up being packed, but I was able to get this richly scented candle. It's vanilla bean, and it smells so good, like just like a vanilla bean. I'm like obsessed with it. I actually got 2 of these. One of them is in the bag on the floor, which I'm not going to show because my friend watches my YouTube videos and I don't want her to see her gift. But with that being said, I got this little candle for myself, and it smells so good. And I got her one as well, but there is also a whole bag of things, so she'll only not be surprised about the candle. I'm going to go do what I have to do right now, and then when I get home, I am going to bake my blueberry muffins. I'm really excited to bake these, and I haven't honestly baked in so long, so I think it's going to be very therapeutic. And I'm going to watch The Bachelorette while I'm baking it, because I honestly haven't watched much of this season yet, and I really need to catch up. And of course, I'm going to light my new candle while I am baking and watching the show.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah.
Me and my boyfriend are actually going out to dinner in Hoboken, and I'm really excited. We're going to this place. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I'll have it on the screen. It's an Italian restaurant, and it should be really fun. As a little outfit, I'm wearing this dress from Tilly's, and then these shoes from Amazon. My necklace is from Amazon, and I did my hair with the shark. I think it looks pretty cute. I have a reservation at 7, and it's like 5:30. So we're gonna leave here at 6 because of the traffic. And finding parking in Hoboken is really hard, so we're leaving a little bit early. We just finished dinner and walked by the Hudson River. It is actually really nice out right now and dinner was good. There wasn't a lot of food options there, so that's the only negative, but I got an Aperol Spritz. We got some focaccia bread, which was amazing, and then I got pasta and it was homemade and it was so good, and Chad got rigatoni bolognese and he said it was really good as well. We are walking back to the car now and we are going to get frozen yogurt. I just wanted to come on and explain this really quick. So the next few clips that you are about to see happened prior to this video being filmed, but I didn't have anywhere to put them and I wanted to make this video a little bit longer because personally I like longer vlogs, and also I thought it was a really cool experience that I wanted to share. So I'm going to be in my old car in this video and it may be a little confusing at first, but basically I am going to the city with my mom and here is that whole day. I'm in my car. I'm going to pick up my mom. We're driving into the city. I also should get gas because I don't have enough, and we are going to a Gossip Girl experience. I just made a video about Gossip Girl and I really wish I knew this experience existed when I made that video, but I think it's fun to still include it. Basically, it's a rooftop bar at the Empire Hotel, which if you don't know, that was Chuck's hotel, and you go to the actual Empire Hotel in New York City, you go up to the rooftop and you have a whole Gossip Girl inspired brunch, and I'm very excited. I'll give you a better outfit of the day when I get up, but this is my little dress. I think it's really cute. It is from Amazon, and then I'm wearing my 444 necklace from Amazon as well.
It's just one of those days, feels like you're drifting away. It's just one of those days, feels like you're falling with the rain. It's just one of those days, when it feels like everything is crashing all around you.
We just finished the Gossip Girl experience at the Empire Hotel. It was actually so fun. The drinks were so aesthetic and so cute, and then we went and saw the Empire Hotel sign, which was iconic. Now we're actually heading home. I think tonight I'm gonna go out to dinner with my friends, so it'll be fun. The city is really muggy though, and not like the best weather, but at least my hair stayed curled. I'm actually going out to dinner with my friends, Ariella and Taylor. I used to work with them at Orange Theory and we stayed really good friends, and I'm very excited to see them. I don't see them that often, but whenever I do, it is such a refreshing moment, such a nice time, and I'm very excited. So we're going to this place in Morristown. This is my little outfit. This whole outfit is from tjmaxx except my shoes, and I think it's so cute. I love the lemons on this crop top. I love these pants, especially for work, and then I'm just wearing these little sandals as well. So this is the little fit, and I'm going to go to dinner now, and I'm very excited to probably get a drink and some good food. I am back again to close out this video. Dinner was so fun with my friends. It was actually really funny because mine, Ariella's, and Taylor's birthday are all very close together. Mine and Taylor's are in June and Ariella's is in July, and we didn't all see each other for our birthdays, so we wanted to celebrate our birthdays all together. So the waiter asked for celebrating anything and we said our birthdays, but we didn't mean that our birthdays were the day that we went. We just meant that we were there to celebrate, and I guess she thought that it was all of our birthdays on the same exact day that we went, and it was so nice. They brought us 3 brownies with mochi on top. I couldn't eat it because of my allergies, so I gave it to my other friend that was there, but just the gesture was so nice, and we thought it was really funny that we all had the same little birthday celebration. Then me, Ariella, and Taylor went to a little bar after. I didn't get anything, but Ariella got a matcha martini and I believe Taylor got a espresso martini, and they smelled really good, and then we took some pictures and then I drove everyone home, and that was all. So that is going to close out this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you stayed up until this point of the video, comment this emoji down below, and I will see you really soon in my next video. Bye.